Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. And that's without using the JBL app, okay? We're going to use the buttons on the headphones itself. You want to do a factory reset, you have issues connecting, pairing problems, maybe you hear static, or maybe it keeps disconnecting, and so on. So let's factory reset these, okay? So first thing is go ahead and turn it on. So you have that slider button here, just swipe up like that and give it 1 moment to turn on. Now it doesn't matter what light you have on here, okay? Now I have a solid blue light. The reason is because I'm actually paired to a Samsung Galaxy S25. So if I want to pair it back to this phone after I do the factory reset, I should delete it from the pairing list on this phone, okay? So let me go ahead and delete it from here. Let me go to settings, connections, Bluetooth. And you can see I'm currently paired right here. Let me click on that settings button right there, and I'm going to unpair, okay? Basically delete it from the pairing list. If you're on an iPhone, it'd be like forget this device, okay? But anyway, I'll tap on unpair right there, okay? We're good to go. Now, what we want to do is with the headphones turned on, we want to press and hold 2 buttons, the volume down and volume up. Press and hold and just keep holding. Now the booklet says to press and hold both buttons for 5 seconds, but you need to hold longer, okay? So just follow along here, all right? So it's on, volume down, volume up, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now I'm going to keep on holding, and I'm not going to let go until I get a blue blinking light, okay? Still holding here. It just turned off. Now wait. It's going to turn back on. Just wait. Okay, there you go. Now it's blinking blue, and the factory reset is done and is back into pairing mode. So now I can connect back to any device I want. Even if I want to connect back to this device, my Samsung here, I can go there, and it's searching for devices in pairing mode, and it'll show up down here in available devices. It's in pairing mode, and it did find the JBL Live 660s. I'll tap on that, pair request, and now I'm connected back to the same phone. So pretty simple.